Hey, this is Dylan with Repair Spots. Today in this video we're going to be going over customer management and what to do in different instances in regards to working with your customers in your shop. So to get started, let's go ahead and head over to the customer page. If we go to the More section down here, we'll be able to find the customers here at the top of the screen. Alright, now that we're at our customer screen, we'll see on the right hand side we have three different options to see our most recent customers, our top 10 customers based on how many repairs they've had, and our B2B customers that come frequently to our store. On the left-hand side, we'll be able to search through our different customers, and we can choose different filters here. So we can search by name, phone, or email of the customer. When we find a customer that we want to go through, for example, Drake here, we can go ahead and see all of their related information. If they have a phone number or email, you'll be able to find them here, and we can call or email the customer. We'll have their total sales and the store credit that they may have within our location. Scrolling down, we'll have different options of things that they have within our app. Any notes that have been created for this customer, whether or not it was for a repair, for a sale, as long as it was tied to something that is in relation to this customer, it will be showing up within this list of notes. Any repairs that this customer has will also be shown under this list of repairs, and you'll be able to search for the repairs that this customer has. Any sales that they have also will be showing up under this list. Any orders created, appointments prepaid, any buybacks, etc. So if you're ever looking for anything that this customer may have within your store, going to the customer details is the place to find that information. We can also go here to manage credit, and here you'll actually be able to collect a balance for each credit that the customer has. If we want to give this customer a $50 credit, for example, and to leave a note as to why, and we can create that credit. We can also instead redeem credit from this screen as well by going to redeem, and then the same process. And if we want to see our call logs with this customer, we can go to call logs and we'll see a list of the calls that have been made to this customer. Now, a few other things I'm going to cover with the customer details. If we go to the bottom right here, we'll have this plus button. And here we'll be able to create a sale, order, repair, etc. from this page. We can also add a note to this customer specifically to not have to include it on a repair or a sale. And we can request feedback from this user. By requesting feedback, you'll be sending them a text message or an email with the page for selecting a star rating on your shop. If they leave a rating that is 4 stars or greater, they're going to be redirected to the URL that you have selected in the settings for this feature. If it's 3 stars or below, instead, we will allow the user or the customer to fill out a message form to leave a message as to why they had a poor experience at your shop. We'll email that back to you, and this way you can follow up with the customer. To set that URL for the customer feedback, let's go to our settings page. This is an admin locked feature, so you will have to be an administrator to access this page. Once we're here, we'll be able to go ahead and select the ratings URL option found here. We can add the URL that you can use here. We usually recommend to add your Google ratings URL so that the customer will be redirected to your ratings page and leave a Google review for your business. Once you add that URL, you can update it here. This will also be getting sent automatically to your customers once a repair is closed. So any customers that you have repairs coming in for and closing those repairs, you'll be able to automatically send them this ratings URL to be collecting those reviews on those customers. I hope this helps you understand a little more about customer management, and have a great day.